Right, so today's job is do this one. It says if I see out on cab, go around cab. But to be fair, I don't think I'm going to bother touching cab. That bumper don't look too bad. I probably don't wheels because it's been painted, but they've done it. They didn't prep it properly, so like these guys have started rubbing it down to try and get shit to some loose stuff. I see some runs here and that, little scabs and that round bolts and stuff. So they just want it to be proper. So I think, I don't know how much of this underside we're going to do, but these panels are getting done. So chassis, probably that diff, prop, wheels, springs, this. It's just got like poor prep on it. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it just wants a proper freshen up. See, it don't look too bad, but it's not a show winner, so. And that, like flaky paint here, that sort of stuff. Just wants that whapping off. Not sure if the marches are getting done. He's just going to come back out and take these panels off at side, because these are timber. So we don't want to be touching that. They can rub that with sander. But all this lot will probably be getting done, all these. And they might end up taking all that metal work off, like such as these. They might end up taking that off for me. A nice project this. I'll probably want to end up taping that off. And maybe that little ball thing there, fuel ball type thing. Yeah, such as that sort of stuff. Just going to whip all that off, get it prepped up properly. Can't really see out on cab. It don't look too bad this cab, but I think it's all getting painted anyway, so not too sure. suppose that's joys of having a, what they call it, an old truck and being able to blast it. What's happened is, see these rust scabs here? I've just been pecking one of them off just underneath, and as you can see there's half a tank of diesel in it, so diesel lines up here. It's going to fill that bucket a few times, and I think it might fill that a couple of times. Yeah, but needed doing. Look at snotters in it. Had to make it look at all snotters in that. It needs blasting. Save them. What time is it?
2 o'clock.
Nah, we've been on time, haven't we?
Like 3:15.
Is it? I better hurry up there. Show you this before I start blasting it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's an hole here. That's why it bust tank earlier, because it's rotted. It's rotten. So all I've done is I've come along and I've taken one of these scabs off, and that's why it's bust tank. It's same all over. It's cut rot under there. So there's not much. I think it's shot, this tank, I think it's no good. But I'm going to finish off blasting anyway. Got to be sharp because he's wanting to take it in. Like brand new. This is that wagging tub that I they've still got quite a lot to do to it, but they've got the tub painted. They're doing something with cab. I think they're painting full cab, and they've got hubs to paint, so they'll be doing that. But they've just done it to get some paint on it. Look at that! What a difference! Looks mega. I don't know. Oh Jesus Christ! Let's stop. It's got to be happy with that. That meant loads better than it was. Start look under here. Oh, like brand new. Look at that. Oh, that's where it rust swallowed. So you could go to effort of filling it and then sanding it flat, but it's a wicker. Don't really need it, to be fair. Look at that. Like brand new.